Is the High Dollars app really a great app where you can easily earn free crypto and get many other great benefits, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have been using the High app for quite a while, and I have also made some videos about it, and many viewers have asked me about an updated review of it because a lot has happened since I first started using it. So therefore I decided to record this updated High Dollar app review, and I will give you an inside look and show exactly how it works step by step so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So if you have not heard about High Dollar before, then let me just quickly explain what it is. You can go to the website, and I would recommend you do that if you're interested in this also, to read the white paper and everything where it describes about the visions, because in my opinion, this is a very interesting project and I have been following it and have been using it for quite a while, and you would also know that if you watched any of my other videos. But in general, it's an all-in-one crypto exchange, as you can see on the website, and next-gen mobile banking. It has a lot of different options, and you can read all about that there, and you can see some of the products they have now, and I will show you inside the app and show you a lot more about these options, and also especially show you how you can just by clicking a button claim free crypto every single day, and some of the other benefits that potentially can give. Also, they have a whole play area that's not currently inside the app, but you can go to the website and find more information about that, where you can play small games and earn by doing that and having fun at the same time. So they have a lot of different things, and they have some really great visions and seem like a very serious company in my opinion. However, of course, you do always need to make your own research when it comes to crypto products and make your own decision. I'm just now showing you inside the app and showing you how you can claim free crypto, what you potentially can get out of it, and then you can make your own decision. If you decide to use it, I will leave a link below with my invitation code also you can use when you join. But let me now log into the app and show you exactly how it works. So I am now logged into the High Dollar app, and let me just reveal that right away that this has developed a lot since I first joined, where they actually didn't even have an app, and now it has just improved so much and it's actually really user friendly. So that's definitely a good sign that they keep just expanding and improving in my experience so far anyway. So let's just go over first of all how you every single day by clicking one button can claim one free High Dollar. So all you need to do is to log in. You go to this area. Just be aware that to do this, you do need to do KYC, meaning verify your identity. It's very important that you do this as soon as possible after you join, because if not, you will not be able to actually get anything out of it or get your earnings out or anything like that. So make sure to do that. This is very normal for any legit crypto app. You always need to verify your identity. So that's just something you need to be aware of, something I would encourage you to do as soon as you can after joining. Then once you're inside, you can see there's something called claim free reward. Right now, I cannot use it because I have already done this. That's one of the first things I do every single morning. I log into the app, click, you answer a question. It's like it takes 2 seconds. It's not about being right or wrong. They just ask you like opinion, usually about crypto. You choose something and then you get one High Dollar. That's so super easy. And if you decide to use High, this is definitely something I would encourage you to do. Just be aware that once you join the first week, you can just do this, claim that for free. But after that, you would need to invest in minimum 100 High Dollars yourself. You can buy that inside the app, or you can buy it on exchanges. It is already on quite a few exchanges. And then you need to have it staked here inside the app to be able to claim those free High. But as of recording this video, the High Dollar is below 10 cents, so it is super cheap. You really do not have to invest a lot, and it has actually had the value of close to $1.50 in the past. So the whole market as of recording this video anyways is a little bit down. So when it turns around, I'm very much looking forward to see where the High Dollar will go. But this is something to be aware of. I cannot say if you should invest in this or not. That is a decision you have to make yourself. I'm not a financial advisor. Any investment you might do online is at your own risk. This is just what you need to do if you want to keep claiming free High, and you will get one High every single day. So you can also figure out that it will not take that long to earn back what you've invested. But of course, you do need to make sure you believe in the project before investing. That's why I recommended in the beginning that you go to the website and read more about it and read the white paper and all this. But there's also a way where you can boost your earnings and potentially earn back what you invested and even more quite easily. So let's talk about that also. So you can see in the menu also there's something called referral. So if you click there, you can see you can share your invitation code. This is mine, so you're welcome to use that if you're not yet a member. And this means that you will get 50% of everything your friends get. They will earn the same. This is very important to understand. They will earn the exact same. So if you join with my invitation code, you will still keep earning one high every single day, and so will your friends if you invite them. What is great is that when someone you invite claims one free high, you will get half a high, and when they invite someone, you will also get 50% of that, and that just keeps going. So if you just invite 10 friends that you think are interested in this and they will claim one high every single day, you can see that would be 5 high a day, and if they then each invite 10, you would also get from that, and so on and so on and so on. So it can really escalate your earnings. So if you believe in this project and you are using it, I would definitely recommend that you also start inviting people that you think this could be interesting for. But this is overall how you can use these free earning methods. You can earn in other ways also, and it also has potentially other benefits, and we of course also need to talk about what can you then do with your earnings here. So let's just keep going, because there's quite a few more things that are important to know before you decide if this is for you or not. So inside the app, you can see down here there are some different options that we also need to go over. The earn option, that's another aspect. Not if you go to the menu, that's where you can claim these free high and where you can invite people. If you go to the earn section, this is where you can earn interest. So for example, with the high you unlock, the high you earn, or the high you invest in for that matter, you can put it here in earn section. You can see I can add funds, and then I can also have other cryptos here and earn interest. You can see if I, for example, lock Bitcoin for 30 days, I would get this 1.5% and then an extra boost because of my membership level. We'll go a little bit more about them over the membership levels later. You can see right now I have silver membership level, but you can see there's also for high dollar and Ethereum and for USDT. Currently these are the ones that you can see here. There's quite a few ones there. They have added quite a few more. You can see you can also earn on Litecoin and Dogecoin. This didn't used to be there when I first started, so that's again shows that they just keep expanding it. But anyways, if I just go back, for example, to the high there, here we are, you can see potentially you can earn 40% interest. That is here annually percent yield, right? That's important to know. That would be 40%, and then I have this boost here, it was 80%. If I log it, you see I would then log it for 365 days. So that also means you can't take them out for those, and I can choose then to get paid daily. So every single day I would see a small portion actually going into my account here. But I cannot unlock this until after a year. You can also, you see for high, you can also log it for 180 days. For Ethereum and some of the others, you can see there is also 7 days. But clearly the high here gives the highest yield. Here you see 30 or 40%, but also you can put other cryptos inside here and earn some really great interest by doing that. So that's another aspect, another way to grow your earnings in here. So also there it's a trading option, so you can see you can go in here and you can trade the different cryptos, and they have added quite a few since first started. They will be adding more. Again, that shows that they do keep expanding on it. This is also a great place to keep an eye on the exact current rates of the different cryptos. There's another option here down here called card. We'll go over that a little bit later because I need to show you something on the website. So we'll just finish what's inside the app first. So let's go to the wallet, because this is very important to understand to be able to decide if this is for you or not. So you can see now in my wallet here it says what my total balance is. It's very important to be aware that this is not what I can just take out. That's very important because there are some different accounts. You can see I have earnings, rewards, vault, and flexible. Flexible is what I could take out. This is shown in US dollars. But if I click and then I go down here and click on cryptocurrencies, you can see what I have in the flexible. As mentioned, you can have other cryptocurrencies in here as well. Right now you can see how many high I have standing in my overall account, but as mentioned, I can't just take them out. The only ones I can take out there, if I go to the flexible, you can see these are these little bit more than 3,300 high and what the value is in US dollars. So that's what I potentially can take out. I have a video where I show payment proof. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can see that it does actually pay. You can easily take it out. It takes a few clicks. But what is very important to understand is that when you claim the free high daily, or when someone you've invited do it, it does not go into your flexible account where you can just take it out right away. And this is actually very, very good for all of us, because if people could do that, some people would just dump it and the price would just really go down and not be worth a lot. So this is a very important part of the whole system to ensure that all of us that are actually using it and believing in the whole portfolio of projects they're offering, that this will be sustainable. So what you will get, that they will go into the rewards. And the rewards is what you potentially can get out. You can see I have quite a lot in the reward section. But the thing is, I will not be able to take all this out, because I can only take out what I, for example, have earned from referrals that have done KYC, identity verification. So a lot of this, majority of what is in my reward section now, because I have already had most of it that is available moved into the vault. So I know that the majority of this currently will not really be able to be unlocked, because some people have started using it a long time ago and just decided it was not for them, and then I won't get it out if they have decided not to actually do the KYC and all this. So that's one thing to be aware of. Again, to be able to get your own earnings out, that's why it's so important to do the KYC. This is also why it's important that you remind people you might invite that they need to do the KYC. If not, they cannot get it out, and also you will not benefit from potential referral earnings. But once per month, a certain percentage will be unlocked, a certain amount will be unlocked from the rewards and go into the vault section, and from here it will then daily be released into the flexible, where you can then take it out if you want to, or you can use the flexible to put into the earn section that I just showed before, where I have put quite a bit of what I have gotten out so far, because I do believe in the high project and I would like to earn more interest by doing that. I also have some high that I have staked in different ways where they give really, really huge earnings. I also have a video about the liquidity pools that you can check out. I'll leave a link in the top corner where they give really great interest. So that's another way where I use the high that I've earned to potentially increase my earnings further. How big an amount that will be released every month into the vault, that really depends on your membership level. So let's talk about these membership levels also. So if you go to the main menu again, you can see there's something called memberships, and you can see how much I have staked. And stake means how much do I have in the vault, and how much do I have in the earnings, and how much do I potentially have staked in this liquidity pool there that I also mentioned that I have a link for there. So you can connect that, so that also counts towards your membership level. What you have in the reward section will not count here, because that has not been unlocked yet, and not necessarily all of it. Also, what you have in the flexible will not count. So that's why for the flexible, you, for example, need to put it into the earn section where you earn interest, and then it will count towards your membership level. You can see I currently have a silver membership level, and this is another great benefit. You just do not actually earn the high, you get some really great different other benefits. For example, 5-star hotel perks. I get these 20% earning booster, as I also showed earlier. I get these free masterclass. This is a website with all kind of really cool classes. I get free access to that, feeless financial service, live support. This is for my membership level. You can see if I stake even more, and my goal is to reach the gold level, of course, there, and then you'll get even more benefits. And you can see also with the basic membership, you do not have the same benefits. Of course, you can see that exactly inside the app. If we click here to the rules, you can see there are an overview of the different membership levels. You see some of the membership levels are just coming soon. This is, again, they are continuously developing. By the time you watch this, maybe it is already there, but you can see some of them even already as just high basic. When you first join, you have some great benefits. Once you reach the next level, you get already there these free masterclasses and these earning boosts. So this is something to be aware of also. And they really do a lot to give great benefits in addition to just having the crypto and earning the crypto and earning by having other cryptos and all that. And a really, really cool thing that I'm looking forward to is a debit card that they are really working hard on soon launching. This looks extremely promising. This was what I mentioned earlier, that inside the app you can see it is there, but currently, as of recording this video anyways, you see that the waitlist is opening up soon. So this is something to keep an eye on. But let's talk a little bit more about that, because you also need to know more about what to expect there. So I'll just jump to the website and show some more information about this. So this high debit card is something I'm really looking forward to. I have a few different crypto credit or debit card, and it just, in my opinion, looks like High is going to take this to a whole new level, because you can not just get rewards on everyday spending as you can with quite a few other crypto cards, but you can get really high returns, and you can eventually sign up for the waitlist inside the app, and you can customize your card with and they are made out of precious materials, but that depends on your membership level. And you can see also on the website that you will be able to pick from 100 plus digital subscriptions that you can get also as a benefit there. You can see different flights, lounge, hotel perks, no annual fees, and there's this buy now, convert later option also. I'm really looking forward to seeing this in action. You can see some of the benefits, for example, these different subscriptions that you can get. They're going to have a lot. They are working hard on building really great partnerships. I'm impressed with the work that the team puts into this. They have a lot of people working on this. You can see here, if you have this silver that I, for example, have, I could choose 5 different subscriptions. You can see some of them there. You can see some of the logos like Disney Plus, YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, Uber Eats, Starbucks, eBay. There's like a lot of really cool things here. And then the more higher membership level you have, the more benefits you will get. And you can see you can personalize it depending on your membership also. And here is also an overview of the spend rewards. So if you're just a basic member, meaning you have this 100 high stake, which is really not a lot, then you will get 1%. You will still get 1% for whatever you spend on the card back as cash back. That is really cool. And then the next one, you see 3%, then 5%, 8, 9, 10. So it's some really cool things, and I would recommend that you also check that out on the website. Go there and see what they're working on there, and definitely keep an eye on that. You see some other benefits they have, their hotel benefits, what you get there, and this is just the beginning of it, right? They have some really, really cool things coming up with this card. I'm personally looking very much forward to that. That's why I wanted to talk a little bit more about that. So to sum it all up, when High first launched, I thought it sounded like a very interesting project, and I started using it quite early on. But I must say that the development on it has really impressed me. They have developed a really user-friendly app with some great options to, first of all, just claim free crypto every single day, but also to boost that further. You can earn by playing also, as I mentioned at the beginning, if you go to the website and find more information about that. And then they have this debit card coming up. They just have a lot of membership benefits also, if you just have your high standing there. So I think it's like really, really interesting project that I'm quite excited about. I just want to again make it clear, I cannot say how it will go. I cannot say it will be a good investment. Any investment you might do is at your own risk, but personally, it's an app that I will keep using, and many people have asked me about an updated review about it because it has improved and developed so much since I first started making some videos about it. And therefore, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button. And also, if you haven't joined yet, I will leave my invitation link below, so please feel free to use that, as I would appreciate your support. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.